Bangalore franchisee will be locking horns with the Hyderabad franchisee in this particular Indian T20 game. This is match number 52. It will be an inconsequential game as Hyderabad are already out of playoff contention and Bangalore are already in the playoffs. However, Bangalore will be looking to gain some momentum before the playoffs commence. Hello everyone, my name is Shayanto Gupta and welcome back to another MSP video presented by TikTaker. I hope all of you are doing well, but before I jump into the video, I would request all of you to like, comment and share and also subscribe to our channel so that you never miss an update from us. So let's quickly jump into the video. Now if we take a look at the probable playing 11 of the Bangalore franchisee, then opening the pair will be a very dangerous pair of Virat Kohli and Devdutt Padikkal. Both the batsmen are very talented. Both the batsmen have surpassing skill and power, and all the bowlers face a lot of difficulties whenever they are bowling, whenever they actually try to vary their lengths, whenever they are actually playing against Virat Kohli and Devdutt Padikkal. So that will be the opening pair of the Bangalore franchisee, followed by number 3 KS Bharat, who's actually brought in a lot of solidity, a lot of stability in the top order, something which was actually missing in the Bangalore franchisee, and I think this has been some of the reasons why Bangalore have played really well. Number 4 will be Glenn Maxwell, followed by AB de Villiers. Both the foreigners are in sublime form. Both of them are backbones of the Bangalore franchisee. Then we'll be having Daniel Christian and George Garton, so the batting runs deep. Then Shahbaz Ahmed, Mohammad Siraj, Yuzvendra Chahal and Harshal Patel will be forming the bowling pair, towards the end. Now if we take a look at the probable playing 11 of the Orange Army, the Hyderabad franchisee, who've not been in good form in this particular season, who've not really actually played well. Now opening the batting for them will be Riddhiman Saha and Jason Roy. Jason Roy has been a revelation. He's come in place of David Warner and the Hyderabad franchisee has actually benefited from his services so far. Then at number 3 will be Kane Williamson, somebody who can bat really well. In the last game also it was only Kane Williamson who displayed a lot of intent, who displayed a lot of character against the Kolkata franchisee when the chips were down, when the opposition bowlers were actually unleashing their potential on the Orange Army. Then number 4 will be Priyam Garg, followed by Abhishek Sharma and Abdul Samad. We've always said that the Hyderabad franchisee possess a lot of precious gems, possess a lot of young talent, and this is a perfect opportunity for all the talented youngsters of the Orange Army to actually prove their credentials in front of the entire world, because this is a Indian T20 league. This is a league which everybody watches around the globe, so there'll be a lot of eyes on this globe. Followed by number 7 will be Jason Holder, and then the 4 bowlers in the form of Rashid Khan, Bhuvaneshwar Kumar and the 2 speedsters in the form of Siddharth Kaul and Umran Malik. Umran Malik is the pace battery of the Hyderabad franchisee, who hails from Kashmir and really played well in the previous game, clocked real quick deliveries. Now if you take a look at the head-to-head battle between both the teams, both the Hyderabad and the Bangalore franchisee, then Hyderabad have a better head-to-head as compared to the Bangalore franchisee. They have won on 10 occasions, Bangalore have won on 8 occasions, and one match was a no result. Now if you take a look at the head-to-head battle since 2018, then it's at a stalemate. It is 4-4. Now if we take a look at the stadium in which this game will be played, it will be played at the Sheikh Zayed Stadium in Abu Dhabi. The average first inning score over here in the last 5 games has been 161, and teams that have chased have won on 4 occasions and have lost on 1 occasion. Now if we take a look at few of the individual stats, a lot of people will have their eyes on this particular segment, because this is the place where the cricketers actually look to scale some unprecedented heights. Now if we take a look at AB de Villiers, then the Bangalore batsman, the Bangalore middle order batsman, needs just one more 6 to actually complete 256s in the Indian T20 league. He'll be the second batsman after Chris Gayle to achieve this feat. Next, if we put our glances on Harshal Patel is just 2 wickets away from actually bagging the most number of wickets by an Indian in any particular season of the Indian T20 league. Next, if we take a look at Riddhiman Saha, then the wicketkeeper of the Hyderabad franchisee, needs just 2 more catches to complete 100 catches as a wicketkeeper in the Indian T20 league. And lastly, if we take a look at Jason Roy, then he's just 15 runs shy of completing 1000 runs in the Indian T20 league. Now if we take a look at few of the individual player battles in this particular Indian T20 league game, in this particular match number 52, then it will be some enticing battles to watch out for. The top 3 battles will be in the form of Virat Kohli and Bhuvaneshwar Kumar. First, Virat Kohli has smashed 70 70 runs against the medium pacer from the Hyderabad franchisee, and he has been dismissed twice by Bhuvneshwar Kumar. Next, if we take a look at AB de Villiers versus Rashid Khan has outfoxed AB de Villiers on 3 occasions. And lastly, if we take a look at Kane Williamson and Yuzvendra Chahal, Chahal has dismissed Kane Williamson on 1 occasion. So with that, we come to an end to this particular MSP video. This was match number 52. This MSP was presented by CricTracker. I hope you like the content. But before I go, I would request all of you to go to our Telegram channel, because this is a place where you will be getting the best kind of match combos as well as the best cricket fantasy tips from the best and the most astute minds of CricTracker. So if you want to win big, then go over there as soon as possible. And lastly, please also subscribe to our channel, because you'll be getting the best kind of cricket content from us.